folks, Aaron from Beansprout here. Today we're going to talk about bridge pins for an ukulele and how to change your strings when you've got bridge pins. So why am I using these? Well, on the instruments I studied in the 1880s and 90s, they almost always used pins to hold the strings in. So that's what I'm doing for this series of instruments. And it might feel a little scary to change your strings, but we can handle it. Not that big a deal. To begin with, each of these pins is set for the hole that it's in. I worked to custom fit each one. So each pin has a series of scratches on it to show you which one it is. So this one's got four scratches, 4 notches, so that means it's the 4th string. So let me reset the camera and I'll show you how to change your strings. Okay, so when it's time to change your strings, you loosen it up here, and then the string winder has a little notch in it. And this notch, if you push right here, just pops the pin out. So like I said, you want to keep track of which pin is which. So this has got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the way I'm doing it is the old school way, where you've got a hole with a notch in it. So you tie a double overhand knot in your string to make a little ball there, and push it down in the hole, and then you get the string in the little notch I cut in the bridge, and then you push the pin in, but we're not using the slot that's on the pin. The slot that's on the pin is like a modern way to do it. Forget about it. So the slot goes away from the string, and we're just using the normal smooth part of the pin to wedge the string in, and I kind of pull up on it. Then we'll go up here, put our string through the peg, and we can start tightening it up. But there's one more thing to watch. As the string gets tighter and it starts to pull up against here, I sometimes push my thumb back down on here to make sure the peg doesn't come flying out. Usually once I've got it set, it's good, but I just don't want anybody to get scared by a flying peg. And that's it. So yeah, I mean, basically, as I said, each peg has got a number of notches for 4, 3, 2, 1. And if the peg has a big slot in it from the factory, put it away from the string. We want the smooth part of the peg to hold the string in. And that's bridge pins. Cheers.